I built a multi-six-figure Etsy print-on-demand business for less than the cost of going out to dinner with my husband. And I know how that sounds, but I am serious. And it's one of the things I absolutely love about the print-on-demand side hustle business. Today, I'm going to be breaking down exactly tool by tool what I spent to get started and the tools that I recommend to keep things simple. Welcome back to Coffee and Cha-Chings. My name's Emily. I'm a top 1% Etsy print-on-demand seller and mom of two who somehow found herself in this wild world of entrepreneurship after a decade plus of experience in the education field. I have the pleasure of working with a lot of new Etsy sellers, and one of the most common questions that I often get is, how much is this going to cost me to get started? And what tools do I actually need to really make sales on Etsy? So let me break it down for you in a super simple way. I'm going to break down exactly what you need and how much each thing costs. Now, before I jump into the numbers and the tools, I do want to start with one of the things that I see new sellers struggle with is trying to use every tool under the sun, and then it becomes really overcomplicated. And when you're just getting started, one of the most important things that you can do is just to keep it simple. So my ultimate philosophy is start small and start simple. As you grow your sales, then you can start to layer in more tools and more options to use in your Etsy shop. Okay, so let's get into the numbers of what this actually costs. The first thing you will absolutely need is to open your Etsy shop. So to open your Etsy shop, you will need to pay a one-time fee, and that will also get you your first 20 listings. Etsy shops are going to range when you open from $15 to $29. That has kind of been changing over the last couple years, but you can expect to pay that one-time fee of $15 to $29. Now, after those first 20 listings that you use, each listing will cost 20 cents, but it's a relatively minimal cost to get started. So really the first thing you're going to need to spend is that $15 to $29 to sell on Etsy. Now, Etsy is going to be your storefront. This is where all your listings, your products are going to live. So this is really important. And Etsy is going to help drive lots of traffic to your shop, which is fantastic. So it's a small price to pay for having access to millions and millions of monthly buyers. All right, so the next thing you'll need is one design tool. And I recommend just starting with one tool so that you're not getting overwhelmed with all of the different design options out there. And my go-to, especially for beginners in print on demand, is Canva. Now, I do recommend having a Canva Pro account if you are able. You don't necessarily have to have Canva Pro for print on demand, but with Canva Pro, you're able to download images with a transparent background. You have access to their full catalog of different graphics and elements and fonts. And I find that it's well worth it to spend that $18. Now, that $18 is going to be per month. But again, if we're just talking about that initial startup cost, that is going to cost you $18 to get started with Canva Pro. All right, and the next thing that you're going to need is your print provider. So with print on demand, you create your designs, you put them on a product, you list them in your Etsy shop, and then when a customer buys them, your print provider, your print partner is going to do all the work of printing, packaging, and shipping that product for you. So you need a print provider. And my go-to print partner is Printify, and I cannot recommend them enough for a variety of reasons. One of the things that I absolutely love is that Printify has a free version. They also have a Printify premium version that you can eventually upgrade to once you start to make those sales. So I started out with the completely free account, and you only pay for products when you actually get a sale and then have to, again, process that order through. This is great for beginners because there is zero financial risk. You're not having to store inventory. You're not having to pay for anything up front, which is something I absolutely love. And if you've been here for a little while, you know that I love gift products, and Printify has some of my very favorites, from candles to journals to mugs to tote bags and everything in between. I mean, you can even sell shower curtains. It's wild. So Printify has been my go-to print partner, and I love that you can get started for free and then build yourself up to that premium account once you start to make those sales. All right, so at this point, you have your Etsy shop, you have a design tool with Canva, and you have your print partner, printifies. Now, the next thing I recommend is having a research tool. And this can be a little bit of an added expense, but it will pay off tenfold. And my favorite research tool by far has been Everbee since day one. A research tool is going to be what separates you from other sellers who are simply guessing at what Etsy buyers want. A research tool is going to show you what is actually selling on Etsy. What keywords are they using so that you can figure out what kinds of products would work in your shop and what kind of design styles you should be looking at. Everbee shows you what is actually selling right now, and the way that they show it to you in an easy to view table makes it so easy to just easily analyze things. The other thing that they have is on screen with an extension. You can be scrolling on Etsy and see how many sales something has, how long it's been listed, and it just makes it super seamless to do your research directly in Etsy. So Everbee cost $19.99 for the growth plan, and that is what I started out on. It's what I highly recommend. And what I love about that is that, yes, it's $20 per month, but again, the payoff of having a tool that will point you in the right direction so that you're not wandering aimlessly is worth so much more. So I cannot recommend Everbee enough. And again, with all the data they're giving you, it is going to pay off tenfold. The last thing I recommend having is investing in some high quality mock-ups. Now, once you decided what product you're going to start with, and I recommend starting with just one product to start, I suggest that you have some high quality mock-ups that you purchase from Etsy. So let's say you're designing mugs. By purchasing a couple high quality mock-ups from Etsy, it's going to help your listing stand out so much more than using the free mock-ups that you get through your print partner. Looking for some trendy, really stylish mock-ups is going to go so far. And the best part is you can get them for as cheap as $1 or $2. So even if you invested in 3 or 4, you're probably looking at spending $10 or less. And that, again, is so worth it. And that would be a one-time expense that you make right at the beginning. All right, so let's add that up. So the first thing we have is your Etsy account, which will range anywhere from $15 to $29. The next thing is your design tool, Canva Pro. That is going to be $18 per month. Third, you have your print partner, and that is free to get started. Fourth, I recommend one research tool, and my go-to tool is Everbee, and that will cost $19.99 per month. And I recommend investing in some high quality mock-ups, which will cost you $10 or less. So when we add all of this together to get started with a full print-on-demand business, with a storefront, with images, with products, with research and design, you're looking at a total of $77 for that initial startup cost. I mean, literally less than a dinner out with my husband. And here's why I think this is so important to talk about. Many side hustles and businesses have that upfront investment. Depending on what type of business you're going to, you might have to buy a bunch of inventory. You might have to pay rent for a brick and mortar. You might have to pay for a really expensive course to buy into the opportunity. You might have to even buy equipment if you're printing your own t-shirts or products at home. But with print on demand for less than $77, you can actually start a whole business. And I have sold over $900,000 in revenue because I decided to pay this upfront cost of $77 3 years ago. And I talk so much about print on demand because I just love that it's so accessible to so many of us. Those that don't have business experience, those that don't have a ton of capital to be throwing around to start a business, it's truly accessible and the tools out there are accessible. And that's why I love talking about it, but also simplifying it because I think so often we like to overcomplicate and try too many tools and try all the things under the sun. So if you have been feeling a little bit confused about where you need to start with print on demand, what tools you should be using, how much it actually costs, I hope this has given you some clarity today. And if there's anything that's holding you back from starting your print on demand business, I would love to hear below in the comments. Don't forget to hit like or subscribe so you don't miss a single weekly video sharing my favorite print on demand tips and strategies. My name is Emily. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.